we are still on the talks, and so we'll tell you when we conclude.
Have you given Labour a figure now?
Why do you want to ask something that it's not necessary? You will hear us when we are done. We are still sitting.
It seems the conversation is some positive.
Why do we have to believe or negative? Oh, I shouldn't smile. Eh?
So the meeting
Your
continues
face
today,
tells us
or
that everything is going on fine.
Everything is going on fine, and I believe God.
is the meeting still there?
Anything? There's a committee working now.
Okay, and I just stand more so we get stable.
Which one be stand now? Must we get story every day?
Yeah, because you are popular, you are the most popular man in Nigeria. Tell us what's happening in there and what's the hope for...
The committee is still working now. So when they finish, Nigerians will get the report.
Have they given you a figure?
Not yet.
What about the template that the president gave them for 8 hours to produce?
Maybe they are going to present it in the committee.
When didn't they present it today?
They didn't present it to the committee of the whole house. They are presenting it to the committee of the house.
Okay, later today or tomorrow?
They have entered now. You can see them moving in.
So you are expecting, you are going to wait for them to come out and make a presentation to you?
To the general house.
General house, okay.
For deliberation.
All right.
Thank you.
Are we certain that by tomorrow everything should be okay?
That's a wish to all of us. That's our prayer.
But based on the feelers from today's meeting, what's
Are you getting close to
your
your
demand?
expectations?
I just reported to you what happened. I don't know other feelers.
Firstly, we have rumor that there is a proposal of 405,000. Can you, do you have any, did you get anything like that, or can you confirm anything?
It's not before the trade unions. Such information is not before us, either officially or unofficially. So we are still at our position before now. And I know that government, having not presented it, is still at their position. So until it's made public and discussed, you can't say government has a position.
Thank you. Thank you for always talking to us.
Yes, thank you. I agree. Your Excellency.
Yes, what is it?
Yes, Your Excellency. Hold on, sir. You've been in this meeting for quite a while. What information do you have for Nigerians at this time?
Well, I have. We are making remarkable progress. We've made a lot of progress. Discussions have been very smooth, and we are almost getting to the point of agreement by all the three parties. I'm sure by tomorrow, when we reconvene by 11 o'clock, we will reach to some concrete kind of agreement, and that will be the position of that we will present to the plenary for adoption.
Is there any amount that is becoming difficult for you to agree on?
No, it is not a matter of, we are taking a holistic approach to the whole issue, because it's not about minimum wage. Wages should be anchored around our capacity to generate revenue, and the sovereignty of the country is important to all of us. It is not about the workers, it's about Nigerians, and it's about our nation. And we have an obligation as citizens to work in hand with the government of the day to ensure that the prosperity comes.
Thanks, sir.
You may push me aside.